Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to TerraSpatial. Today I will show you how to import the Excel data into QGIS. So let's get started. So now let me show you the Excel data I'm going to import into this QGIS. So let me show you my Excel data. So this is my Excel data. This is Excel data consisting of my sample location and latitude and longitude values. So to import into our QGIS, you have to go to the file section, save as, browse. So now let me save as a sample location. So now choose the save as a type. Make sure that you choose the delimiter option, CSV, delimited. Choose this option. Now save. So the files has been saved into CSV, delimiter. So let's import the file into our QGIS. So now go to the option called layers and go to the option called data layers and add delimited text layer. Choose this option, delimited text layer. So now browse your file location of your Excel. So this is my file location, the Excel data I'm going to import into our QGIS. So click this file. So open. So now the file has been opened. Now you can see that our file mentioning our sample location, latitude and longitude. So I will show you up. So we have all our files from L1 to L20. So we have all our locations. Now, so make sure that our file format in CSV, separated values. And next is make sure that in geometry definition, in X field, always choose the longitude. And similarly, in Y field, always choose the latitude. Now in geometry part, in the projection part, that is geometry CRS, make sure that you choose your projection system. In my case, I will choose WGS 84. You can also choose the other projection according to your requirement, but WGS is a standard for my work. So I will choose the WGS 1984. That is 84 with the authority ID of 4326. So now let me click OK. So now let me close this, minimize it. So these are our sample location, latitude and longitude. So now let me add. So now close. So you can see that this is my study area sample locations, which is in the projection called 90 WGS 1984. So it is in the current projection. We have all of the sample points. So now suppose if you want to verify the coordinates that is being imported into this QGIS, it is correctly imported to a correct geographic coordinate. Make sure that to check that, go to the option called Web Quick Map Services OSM Standard. So now, yeah, it is added a correct location. So the points are in the correct location. So suppose now if you want to change the color of this the point location, or you want to label this point feature, all you have to do is go to the layer called sample location, double click the layer. Now let me choose the single label option. So now choose the field, what field you require it to display here in value section. I will choose sample locations. So I will choose the color for this in the blue color. So now the size is in 10. It is okay. Apply and click OK. So now you can able to see my sample location there numbers in our map. Now let me show you in our attribute table. Go to the section called the open attribute table. So now you can able to view our sample locations. So suppose if you want to view the properties or the details about this sample location layer, all you have to do is right click, go to the properties. Now in the information section, you can see its last modified source and the extent and the reference, the name of the coordinates, the projection system we are using is WGS 84. So now you can see that still the file is in the delimited text, which is not in our proper geographical data. So now to convert to a proper geographical data, follow the step. So let me close this. So to convert it to a proper geographical data, go to our sample location, right click, export, save the feature as. So now choose the file format as a ESR, that is ESRI shapefile, and choose the file name as a sample location. So let me choose the file location for that. So now let me name as a sample location. So click save. So after that, make sure that you are chosen a correct projection system. So in this case, I will choose as a WGS 1984. Suppose if you want to change the projection system, click this option and you can change to your required projection. So I will choose as WGS, that is WGS 84. So now click OK. So you can see that our geographical data has been added to here. Now we can remove our CSV delimited file, that is that layer. We can remove that. So now this is a layer sample location layer. So now let me show you its property now. So now you can able to see that. So now you can able to see that it is in the proper S3 shapefile. Before it was in the delimited CSV file. Now it is in a proper S3 shapefile, that is in proper geographical data. So now click OK. So now in this video I have shown you how to import the Excel data into a QGIS. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Terraspatial for more contents. Please give a like to our channel.